Today we are unboxing Queen of Roses by Lattafa. I remember when I unboxed the other queen, Queen of Arabia. I didn't like that one. Hopefully I like this queen. Let's get into it. But before then, if you're new here, my name is Gloria. On this channel, I create fragrance related content. If this is the type of content you enjoy, kindly hit the subscribe button and let's be friends. Okay? Now let's get into unboxing Queen of Roses by Lattafa. I've had this perfume for close to 1 month. I don't know why I have not unboxed it. Maybe because I have phobia. Because I saw a lady on TikTok talk about Queen of Roses and she said she did not like it. That it had one funny base like that. And since then I've had this fear of unboxing it. But today I said to myself, I must conquer that fear. And yeah, I decided that, you know what, today is the day that I unbox this Queen of Roses by Lattafa. The box is huge. It's actually a Lattafa Pride perfume. When it comes to Lattafa Pride perfume, I have liked some of the Lattafa Pride perfume because, in my opinion, the Lattafa Pride perfume, they are more of quality perfumes, even in terms of the packaging and all. Lattafa Pride perfumes are like the higher version of Lattafa perfumes. There is another one, the Niche Emirati. That one too is also like a higher, quality Lattafa perfume. I don't know if I'm right or wrong, but that's just my opinion. Now, this packaging looks like a package that when you gift somebody, the person will appreciate it even without knowing how much the perfume costs. Okay, this actually looks like a present worthy box. Now it opens up like this, and then like this. I have seen a lot of unboxing of this Queen of Roses on the internet. Now it comes with 4 sample bottles of other perfumes. Here I have Massa, Saeed Gold, Art of Arabia 3, and then Ish Al Shayuk Gold. I have Ish Al Shayuk Gold, the 100 ml, Art of Arabia 3, I don't have that. Shahid Gold, I don't have that. Massa, I don't have that. So I will be, trying out 3 perfumes that I do not have. That makes me happy. I love it when I unbox a perfume like this and it comes with sample bottles of other perfumes by Lattafa. It makes me happy. Now this is gorgeous. I like the packaging of this. It comes with these pamphlets, just like how most of the Lattafa Pride perfumes, they come with pamphlets. Okay, for the bottle, can you take a minute and check out this bottle? This bottle, honestly, I don't know what to say with this bottle. It's gorgeous, more than I thought it would be. When I was seeing it online, I thought it was going to look tacky because of all the glitz, around it. But now that I'm holding it, the glitz, or this, I don't know what to call all these glitters, all this shine, it looks solid. I like it. Wait a minute. Can you see that we are twinning? Me and the bottle. We are twinning. I like the bottle. Okay, now let's go ahead. Queen of Roses. What do you think this perfume will smell like? Because it's Queen of Roses, I would think it will smell like rose. Yeah, it will smell like rose. Maybe a soft rose with a blend of, Middle Eastern people, they like to blend rose and oud. Maybe this will be like a blend of rose and a subtle or a creamy oud in the base. That's what I'm thinking. But let's smell it and see. Pray. I've been looking for a rose perfume that is subtle. I hope this is it. This is a rose perfume. Very rosy. There are a couple of perfumes that are coming to mind for me. December Rose by Paris Corner is also another beautiful rose perfume. That one is airy. This one has a lot more body to it. When it comes to rose perfumes, you can associate it with the Middle Eastern perfumes. Yes. When I smell this, the first thing that comes to mind for me is the Amethyst by Lattafa, because that also is a rose perfume with a blend of oud. Like that one is a typical Middle Eastern perfume. Now that is the vibe I get from this. That is the vibe I get from this. But I can say that this one is more lighter. If you have tried amethyst, you will know that amethyst is a very thick, is very concentrated. Amethyst by Lattafa, very concentrated, very beast mood. I liked it when I liked it. I don't like it anymore. Yeah, that's why I don't have it again, because I have decluttered it. Okay. But this one, on the other hand, it reminds me of amethyst, but in a lighter way. In a lighter way. And when I'm saying a lighter way, I don't mean that this perfume is light. It's not light. But compared to amethyst by Lattafa, this one is a bit lighter. I mean, it's getting there. For me, it's not a love at first sniff, but I think it will grow on me. I think it will grow on me. Now, I have the urge to compare it to Anna Abiet Scarlet, because Anna Abiet Scarlet is also a rose perfume. Should I do it? Let me do it. This one is Scarlet by Lattafa. Let me spray it and see. Even though they are both rose perfumes, they smell different. They smell very different. They smell very different. That's just what I wanted to know, if they smell alike, but they don't smell alike. Now for Queen of Roses, let me pull out the notes and tell you what the note is about. Queen of Roses has the top note of pink pepper and fruity note at the top. At the middle, it has rose, jasmine, saffron, and patchouli. While at the base, it has amber, musk, vanilla, soft wood. This perfume is said to be an oriental floral perfume. Now, what I can tell you about this perfume is that it embodies that seductiveness. So, in other words, this perfume smells seductive. Now, it has a little bit of spiciness and woodiness, but this perfume is unique in a way, and is not too strong in terms of having the Middle Eastern vibe that you cannot wear it. So if you're somebody that enjoys roses in perfumes, if you enjoy roses in perfumes, you're going to like this one. But if you don't like rose, there is a high tendency that you will not like it. I was expecting that it will have oud, but it does not have oud. Instead, it has woods. So this one does not smell, even though it will remind you of Amethyst by Lattafa, it does not smell like it. This one is more wearable. It's not like a subtle floral scent. It wants to be in the same rank with Scarlet by Lattafa, but in a different profile, if you know what I mean. Even though they are both floral perfumes, the two of them, they are both floral perfumes. They are both rose perfumes because they both have rose, but they smell different in their own unique way. Okay, so I cannot compare Queen of Roses to Scarlet, by Lattafa. They don't smell the same. I like it. It's not a love at first sniff for me, but I like it. I think this would be very appropriate to wear for dress up outings during the day, and you can also wear it for evenings. You can wear it for date nights. You can wear it for events, evening events. You can wear it for going out. This one is a dress up scent, and I would like to say also that this is a feminine perfume, and I also would like to say that this, it kind of smells romantic. It smells like a romantic perfume, romantic, seductive, all in those kind of, you know what I mean? Yeah, let me try it on skin and see what it gives me. Oh, I like it on skin. I really like it on skin. On skin, it even smells more subtle. Not a playful scent. Let me put it out there. This one, this floral perfume, is not a playful scent. This one is for a more mature demography. Like if you're in your 30s, in your 40s, your 50s, those are the people that will enjoy this type of scent. But if you're in your 20s, you might not like this. You might not like this. It might not appeal to you. It kind of also wants to have like a little bit of powderiness to it. This perfume, it will fill up a room. It has vanilla. It has vanilla at the base. Now the vanilla there is not doing too much. The vanilla there is just complementing the musk, the amber, the woods. It's not like standing and saying, look at me here, I'm here, I'm here. The vanilla there is just, is cooperative. It's cooperating with the other notes in the base. So yeah, in all, I would say this Queen of Roses is a sophisticated floral scent. I would say it's not juvenile, it's not playful, it's mature, it's seductive, it's beautiful. Perfume is not giving me weird dry down. It's not giving me that, which a lot of perfumes do. You know what I mean? But this one is not giving me that weird undertone. It's not giving me that weird dry down. The dry down on my skin, it's not perfect. It's not perfect, but it's okay with a little bit of annoyingness to it. But yeah, it's an okay perfume. Queen of Roses. Go and try it out. You want to buy Queen of Roses, but you don't want to buy the full size bottle yet. You want to try it out before you commit to buying a full size bottle, or you want to buy any of the newest Lattafa perfume like Second Song, Lion, Habik in decant bottles, in decant sizes. Send me a message on Instagram at Perfume Enclave NG on Instagram. I'll be there to take all your orders. Okay? Till I see you in my next video. Remember, God loves you. Keep smelling your absolute best. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.